But it's a shame when we watch leader after leader deplete the wealth of their people. It's shameful, is deplorable, and is immoral. Do you know what immoral means? You have pushed corruption to the levels of immorality as never seen in this country.
Bw'atyo Omulamuzi Catherine Bamugemereire bw'atabukidde sentebe wa LCC Jinja Central Mubarak Kirunda.
When this building was demolished, who was the chairman of the district council?
LC5?
Yes.
Gobe.
Why are you not mentioning him?
I talked of leaders. But
you mentioned Kezala. Why did you not mention Gume? Isn't it deliberate? It is deliberate. You have not told us everything. And why have you not mentioned the RDC? Why? Are you not on their payroll? Isn't it true that they paid you to keep quiet?
No.
Isn't it true that they actually paid for your lawyer to come to this commission?
Kirunda abadde mu kakiiko akabuliza ku by'ettaka okutangaza ku Kigambibwa nti omu ku bakulembeze b'eJinja abeekobana n'omusuubuzi Simusoni Birungi nannyini kampuni ya Bairasi.
Allegation is allegation, my lord.
You have been paid to whitewash corruption in Jinja against your own people. Aren't you ashamed?
Sentebe Mubarak Kirunda asoose kutegeeza kakiiko nga bwe yalwanirira abasuubuzi abaali bakolera mu kizimbe wano nga tewannatwalibwa. Omu ku baali abasuubuzi mu kizimbe ekyali ekya gavumenti Haji Kirunda era nga kojjaawe abadde mu kakiiko nga mutabani we awa obujulizi.
And your uncles there were the first businessmen in Jinja, and they got plot 60 and 62 and were able to trade.
Wabula bw'abuuziddwa amanya ga kojjaawe n'attama.
Who is your muzei?
I have my uncle, my dad is even here.
What is his name?
Haji Dakava. I know the name.
Give us the name.
My lord is my father.
Ye yali ofisa w'eby'ettaka eJinja Yusufu Kakero. Alope yali sentebe w'eJinja kati minisita omubeezi ow'ebyobwegasi Frederick Gumengobi nga bwe yankako okukola ekyapa ku ttaka ly'e Walukuba liweebwe kampuni y'abayindi Favorite Enterprises.
Yes, they came to me with the file from Jinja District Land Board and they wanted me to process the lease offer.
Ono era ategeeza nti abakulembeze b'eJinja batunze ettaka ku lubalama lw'omugga Kiira eri abagwira ekimenya amateeka g'eggwanga.
They are foreigners who have been purchasing customary interests along River Nile banks.
Are you proud that you people in Jinja have given away every business land, every government building, every green space, every little bit of, what was for the people, for yourselves? I can give you a long list of district officials of Jinja with 15, 25, 30 titles.
Alumiriza gavumenti omu ku bagabana ensimbi mu kutunda ettaka okwali kugenda okuteekebwa pulogulaamu ya gavumenti ey'okulunda ebyennyanja. Jingo Francis, NTV, ku ssaawa emu.